Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password for your account on Disney+. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in disneyplus.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Disney Plus website, from which if you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and enter your credentials and you will be logged in within Disney Plus. Now click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on account. Now within the account page, you will find the My Disney option, which contains your email address and your password. Click on the Manage with My Disney option and now you will be allowed to edit your password. Tap on the pen icon alongside your password and you will be asked to check your inbox to enter the verification code in order to verify your identity. So check your inbox and you will find an email from Disney. Just open up this email and copy the verification code and then paste it within the verification box and click on continue. You will then be asked to enter your new password. Type in your desired new password within this box and then click on save and continue. You also have the option to log out of all other devices. Check on this if you wish to log out other devices that you think might be logged in to your Disney Plus account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your Disney Plus account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.